When you understand that the delusory appearances of birth, death, and the intermediate state are mere appearances, which in reality are devoid of any basis or origin, you will also understand that this delusion cannot alter or affect the mind's basic condition in any way. If you gain confidence through experiencing the fundamental condition of mind, delusion must be self-liberated. There is simply no other possibility. It is vital, therefore, that you train so as to become familiar with this crucial point. All the practices of the generation and perfection, phases, and all the pith instructions are there to purify confusion. But this profound instruction, the resolving mind's confusion once and for all, brings together the vision underlying the practices of all the various traditions, ancient